Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Edge 40 Pro and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to the security and privacy section. Here click to more security settings and tap to SIM card lock. Just to activate SIM pin on your SIM card, you should click to the switcher near lock SIM card, then just tap to OK. Here we should enter our SIM pin. For example, in my case that will be from 1 to 4. Then just tap to OK and that's it. We can see here the message that the pin enabled successfully. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.